Hey there, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. I wanted to walk you through how to use Target Circle and the Target app. If you are going to Target and you're not using Target Circle offers, this just needs to be a little intervention. We do not want to do that ever again. You only go to Target using the Target app. It's important. We're talking about 600 plus offers that are only in the app. You won't see a single mention of them anywhere in the store. You have to use the app. And we're talking about good offers. So what this really is a way that they have unique sales that they don't have to advertise. It's brilliant. Only the people who take the time to either scan the barcode or search for products are going to get the discount. Everyone else is going to pay full price. So let's not do that. So walking through, first off, obviously download the Target app. It's available for all major phones and it's free, guys. Set up your account if you do not already, but most folks have a Target account. It's the same login. This is the general Target app. So when you're searching the App Store, don't even use the word Circle, just Target app. Download the app, log in. Once you're logged in, on the homepage of the app, you will see three options, but your more important one is the bottom. So I can shop, I can look at the weekly ads, but the Target Circle is what we're coming in here for. And if I click on Target Circle, I'm going to see a bunch of subcategories pop in. You can use Target Circle to save a percentage off, and the percentage varies, on things all over the store. Food and grocery items, clothing, kids' toys, electronics, everywhere there are Circle offers. They do have them organized by category. However, what you really want to do, just come in, click on all, and then look at all the offers. You can sort by discount, which is my favorite way to do this. Sort by discount, and you will be able to see the highest current offers. That's really what we care about, right? When we're dealing with 400, 500 offers, you can't just sit there and look at all of them. You're going to go crazy. So let's look at the best offers. What you're looking at, 25% off certain things, 40% off. Those are sales. The sweet part, I can still use coupons on these items. This is just a sale. So you could still walk in and use a Target store coupon and a manufacturer's coupon on top of that Circle offer. That's 3 offers really for one product and makes for some very good deals. So we can sort by all, we can look at the discounts. Let's talk about the fastest way to find them though. From the home page of the app, you will see a barcode scanner. And when you pull up that barcode scanner, this is as simple as it gets. Just give it to a kid if you want to in the store. Everything that goes in your buggy, let's scan the barcode. And once you do, it will automatically find an offer for that item. So right now, just scanning the barcode on this collagen broth, I've got 25% off. Boom, that's all I had to do, scan the barcode. You can literally do this in checkout. It loads, you're ready to go. You don't need to wait a certain number of minutes. It will be in your account for you to use at the register. So start just scanning everything that you have. It takes just a second. It finds the offer and it automatically loads them. So I don't need to then go and clip anything. I just scan the barcodes. Guys, this is how simple it is. So that saved me another 25% off of Puka tea. I again could use coupons on either of these if I wanted to in the store, but you're saving a chunk. Really no work required here. That's how simple it is. So I've loaded the offers that I want to use, and then I'm ready to check out. At the register, you have your Target app ready. At the very bottom of the Target app is the wallet section. You're going to open up the wallet section. They're going to scan this barcode right as you're checking out. You can scan it yourself at checkout, and all of the offers that you loaded will come off instantly. Now, if the app scares you, so I know some folks that end up watching don't really do mobile apps, don't even really do smartphones. That's okay. If you go to circle.target.com, you can load all of these offers from your desktop computer, and you can actually print out your barcode on a shopping list to hand at the register, and they will scan it. You're good to go. I do not have to use the Target app to get any of these offers. I really can completely do this at home. The tricky part, again, not being able to scan barcodes in the store, you're going to miss some offers because when was the last time you went in Target and actually left with only the things that you plan to get? It's pretty slim. So having the app is definitely the easier way to go to save the most money but just so that you know, you can use this completely online on the desktop, not needing a smartphone if you don't have one or you don't like to use them. So we've got Circle. There's a few other features to the app since we're here, just so you don't miss it. One of those being when you're on the wallet page, you'll see extra offers. It will pull up any of the in-ad coupons that are running this week so that you can use them. You click a button now, you load them. This is perfect. You used to have to scan all these different barcodes. Now you just click to load any of those extra coupons that you want. And when they scan this one barcode, your coupons, your Circle offers, they're all gonna come off at the same time at the register. It can't get any easier. So one last question that I get with Circle is, when should I hand this over? If you are smart, you also have a Target Red Card. Your Target Red Card can be linked directly to the app. So again, when they scan that barcode, you're not only getting your Circle offers, getting your in-store coupons, you're also paying right there. A Target Red Card is going to save you an additional 5% off of every purchase that you make in Target forever. Get the debit card option. It's linked straight to your checking account. There are no late fees, no interest rates. It's just a different way to pay in Target, and you're saving a chunk of money. But when I do that, if I have my Red Card linked, I really don't want to scan this until the very end, because once it's scanned, I'm paying. So make sure that you've given the cashier any manufacturer's coupons that you want or any paper store coupons that you may have before you scan your app, or else you're going to be a little frustrated when everything clears off, you've paid, and now you still had coupons you wanted to use. There's one other fun feature that folks don't realize about the app, and that is all the gift cards that you get back from buying really great deals in Target. You can load your gift cards into the app automatically, and then when I go to checkout, I don't have to hold on to them. I don't have to remember, oh, this has 5 and this has 10. Instead, I can have all of my gift cards loaded in. I can select that I want to use them first instead of my Red Card, and I don't have to keep carrying around Target gift cards. It takes just a second. You scan the barcode of the gift card that you get in the store, load it into your app, and then forget about the in-person gift card and just use the digital one from here on. Hopefully this helps you guys. Oh, I'm about to forget one really big change. So if you have been using Target Cartwheel before it got rebranded to Circle, there's some sweet changes that you are gonna love, and that is the fact that we can now use Circle offers on online purchases, on in-store pickups, at drive-up orders. It does not have to be just in store. So if you are shopping for deals online and they're running 50% off a DVD, I can buy that DVD online. I can have it shipped to the house and still use my 50% off Circle offer. You will see on a specific offer little marks that will show you where you can use it. It will be colored if I can use it in store, drive up, or it will be grayed out if it's not available in that particular format. So that will help you to kind of navigate where I can and where I can't use them. But I'd say about 90% of them can be used everywhere. So it's pretty sweet. One last big important part for Circle, grocery-wise, and this is just important in terms of how we're gonna use them. Don't forget, once I load them, that 25% off this and 25% off this is good up to 4 products. So it's not just one tea that I can grab 4 teas, and I'm gonna get 25% off of each one of them that I grab, which is sweet. If you've got coupons to pair in too, you can get a little stocked up. So I can head into Target, I can use Target Circle, I can use store coupons, I can use manufacturer's coupons. I could still come home and submit mobile apps to Ibotta and Checkout 51, Fetch, and all of the others that we love. Head to our YouTube page to check out videos on how to use those apps. But seriously, guys, we can go super deep with offers and find some sweet freebies and great deals in Target if you are using Circle. So don't ever go into the store without it again.